This is the first episode of me building a personal freelance app with PHP from scratch. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll start with creating a custom workspace for it. Then we open this with VS Code. Now we have to decide how we will go about making the app. Do we install PHP on the desktop? Do we start a virtual machine? Or do we use a VPS? Personally, I find using containers best. That's why I use Docker. And if you use Docker, then you already know that there are plenty of images already available on the Docker Hub website or repository, however you want to call it. But with the PHP image available on Docker Hub, there are many things which I feel limited with. Like it's very limited. There are many things I am unable to do if I use the PHP image available on Docker Hub, which is why I'll always create a PHP image from scratch. Let's see. Does PHP Ubuntu 26.06 have a base Docker image? Oh, Ubuntu, come on. Oh, 604. The 04 ones are the LTS versions, which stands for long-term support, if you did not know that already. I need is a non-interactive command, which I pretty much never remember how it's used. No. Oops. Wrong search. It is. PHP is always available in the Nginx repository, which I heard is one of, if not the best repository for newer PHP packages. Yeah, I'll just specify the PHP version. It, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be. We have to put the dot or not in here. We'll see. Now, when the container runs, it will just run and exit. For it to run continuously, we need to give it like a command or something for it to always stay up. One of the ways that, which is the only way that I know how to do it, is to use like a tail or something, like a tail dash F, and send it to dev null. But that might be the not that might not be the best thing to do. Let me just check with AI. I normally do not use AI unless absolutely necessary. And if I'm stuck on a bug, or if I have already written like hundreds of thousands of thousands to thousands of lines of code, then I don't know what is where. I just ask AI. But that's rare, very rare. Except at work, where I am told to use AI for everything. Yes, you could use tail F. This sleep infinity because it's just essentially no CPU. Oh, that's interesting. That part was good to know about the sleep infinity thing. Yeah, the pairing up with Nginx is something we will do in a later episode. But for now, we will just build and try to make this work because there's a lot I'm going to have to do. Alright, now let's build the image. Let's first check what images I already have. I already have one here. I always use buildx because if I use build, it will create the image to only be compatible with Windows systems. I need this to be cross-platform. That's why I use buildx, which takes longer sometimes, or most of the time. Look at buildx, build the F file. tag name. Okay, I missed something. Build X build. That's it for the file name. Oh, it's a context maybe? Yes. This is going to take some time. Interesting. Oh, this is the kinds of things which really makes me say maybe I choose the wrong job or the wrong career path. But let's just say that it is also fun in a way. And happy to. Oh, that's why. Each run command creates a new layer, and we don't want multiple layers because that would make the image become very heavy. So we try to limit the number of runs, of run commands. I should be more precise. Let's try again. I don't know how much time this is going to take, but here we are. If this works, I should be able to run this container, go inside it, and oh, I just realized I forgot something. What dear? Let me just cancel this. Everything. Run this again. And pray this all works. Technically, it should work. Wait a second. What am I using? I'm pretty sure I do not have any AI in mode enabled. So I don't know if it was AI autocomplete or it was just yes codes autocomplete doing its job. Once the building gets over here, we'll know if PHP 8.5 exists in the on the right repository or not. It does not exist, it will probably crash, and then I will have to drop back to either 8.308.4. This is taking kind of forever. I will probably. Oh, let's see what's the issue now. APT does not have a CLI interface. Why? Okay, let's not do the update here. Technically, I should be doing the update, but let's install Y and not apt repositories. Not software common software properties common. I think it's software common properties. Software properties common. Okay, so I was right to put in the update. I'm pretty sure that's not the correct. This is not the correct thing to install. It should have been. Maybe it's. Okay. What? Why would they do this? They remove the software properties. Come on, okay. Then how do I? Having so excuse me for a moment. I'm having a bit of a teary eye issue. I don't know why. Could be dry eye starting now. Wait, this could be some dry eye issue or some lack of sleep issue. Just please excuse me. Oh my, uh, I don't know how to call it. Medical condition. Let's see. There was something about universe package. Universal possibility. Excuse me. Let's see. Pretty sure there's something wrong with this. No. This is huh? Is this AI trolling me? The update and update install software properties common. Yes. Okay, let's see if Gemini can help me with this, because it just gave me two conflicting answers. First one is that repo is not available in 2606. What? What? Why? Well, in that case, let's just go for an older Ubuntu version. Let's see. Why do we even have to do all this stuff if all I needed was this? Wait. Okay, let me cancel this. If I am understanding correctly, it's because security flaws. And we can't mess with security nowadays, especially in cyber. Security things. Why is it talking about PHP 8.4? Please, you're feeling blocked with the run script. Forget to collect the keys from package with host files for. Hmm. Okay. I have no idea what is going on here. I'm lost. Totally lost. If I use 2404, it should be fine if I just secure my web server, right? And it's a personal project anyway, so I should just do what's easier for me. And since I'm using Docker, I could just, once I have set up everything, I would just change the Ubuntu version here and rebuild the image and use the new image instead. But that's an operation for in about 6 or 7 months. So for now, let's just build with what we know works. Well, at least I'm hoping it works. I just hope it does not take 10 to 20 minutes. Maybe it will take like 5, 6 minutes. I'll just pause the recording in the meantime. I don't know. Wait, was it paused? I am unsure if you guys want to see a terminal with a screen of text ongoing. Well, even I wouldn't want to watch like a screen like this with text. So I'll just pause the video and come back once this is finished. So the image has finished building. Now let's see. Let's check if it works. What's happening? Oh, it is running. It's just that it has no output. Okay. If I cancel this, does it keep running? Oh, it stops. I wonder if I can do this. Oh, I can. Interesting. Let's try to SSH into this container. So now I can mount a volume to this container. Wait, I can also do something like this. Docker exec container. which means I can also do this. It's not his. Oh, of course, because I have not mounted this file on the container. That's why it's not able to read the file. But no, that's not it. Because I'm using PHP, so if I'm using PHP, wait, let me get my thoughts straight. Wait, wait. That's V is supposed to means uh, connect folder, map it to for HTML. Oopsies, docker run. Docker run mount volume. I'm sure it was it is a flag. Oh, okay, that's correct. My container. It's asking for the absolute path on the host. Alright. Why? What am I doing wrong? Oh, when is it before the v flag? I put the image name before the v flag. Oh, those options. Okay, I keep the D here, which stands for detach. Now what? Why is it a mode? Oh, okay, this one was stupid of me. Now I can do docker yes exec. Right. Now I should. Huh? Oh, what? Isn't this? Huh? Wait, I was right all along? Yeah, I find this hard to believe. Let me just stop this container and test it once again, just to be sure I am not going crazy. Oh, let's start normally. Detach. Just to be sure, let me delete this container. Oh, I should probably give it a new name when I create it. Otherwise, we'll just do these random name creations. Okay. Okay, so indeed we have to mount the. Do we need to mount the folder? Or I can just pass in this. It's been a long time since I did something like this. Mostly I just choose Docker Compose, but um since I'll be using PHP 8.5, I think it's better that I just gain back all my memories about how this works. So yeah, Docker Compose it is. Sorry, I mean, and we need to mount the. Where is it? We need to mount this folder. Hmm? Alright, so at least now I know that the container is working.